Hello everyone. So in this section we'll see how to hide the desktop icons. Maybe this will be useful when you are presenting something through PowerPoint or some other mean. So if you want to hide this icons available on your desktop, for that you have to simply right click on your desktop, go to view, and this is a show desktop icon is available, so you just have to untick it. So if I untick it, you see the icon is removed. Now you can do anything you want, and your desktop icon is not visible to anyone, even to you. So this is a trick to hide your icon from the desktop. And if you want to get it again, you can simply click here, right click, go to view, and click on show desktop icon. You see, so in this way you can hide or show your desktop icons. So try from your side. Thank you very much.